Marcus and welcome to this Rawlinson Group used car of the month video. This is our Rawlinson Renault Captur. This is the new shape Captur on a 2020 plate, meaning you get the most up-to-date version of the car. This is also the S edition, meaning that it is a very high level of specification, which we'll get into in just a second. On this vehicle you can see that it's featured in the lovely desert orange metallic paint with the contrasting black floating roof. So without further ado, let's have a look at some of the specification on this car. So as you can see at the side of this car, you can really appreciate the floating roof that Renault give with the contrasting colours. You can also see the lovely 18-inch dual contrast alloy wheels down there, which are really nice and bring out the style of the alloy quite nicely with the contrasting colours. On the doors you have keyless entry, so when you approach the vehicle just have the key on your person, hand inside the door handle and the car will open up, and when you leave simply walk away and the car will lock itself and give you an audible noise to let you know it's done that. Now we'll have a look around the boot of the car. We've got a really exciting dual level boot, so let's have a look around. So as we come around to the rear of the car, you can see we have our reversing camera as part of the S edition package, also with front and rear sensors, so you get the additional beeping with the visual aid from the camera system. If we have a look in the boot, we have our dual height boot. So upon entry you think it's quite shallow enough to put your luggage in the top there, but if you've got anything particularly of value, you can put it underneath and you've got plenty of storage under there. You can also drop this level if you needed the full boot space to allow you a much larger, wider boot there. You also have a tyre repair kit or a spare tyre underneath the floor there for the worst case eventuality. Let's jump around and have a look at the interior of this car. So here we are in the interior of this Renault Captur S edition. As you can see, we've got this stunning dual tone orange and black upholstery, cloth upholstery, with 60/40 folding rear seats, which allows you a bit more room in the rear should you need it. We also do have two rear ISOFIX points on either side of the vehicle for child seats or any fixings. You come around into the front of the vehicle, you can see the lovely upholstery continued through again. And if you have a look at the driver's dashboard, the steering wheel is wrapped in the TEP, which is a synthetic leather, which reduces the carbon output of the production of the leather, with a multi-function capacity, so cruise controlled speed limiter on the left hand side, and then your media and option controls and voice controls on the right, which mainly controls the screen, the lovely digital dashboard you can see in front of you. We also have automatic lights, automatic rain sensing wipers, which once you've set them to auto will do all the rest for you. If you come over to this main screen here, you can see here that not only do we have the reversing camera shown here, we've also got this 360 view of the car. So this view is, because the door is open, is slightly ajar at the moment, but you'd get a full 360 view of the entire vehicle, making parking an absolute doddle whilst also having that main rear facing view. If you come down here, you can see we also have your climate control or automatic climate control, so set the temperature and the car will do the rest for you. We also have your 5-speed manual gearbox here, which is a joy to drive, really smooth and easy. And also you've got your electric parking handbrake with auto hold, which will allow you, the car will hold itself on a hill or otherwise with the handbrake on until you accelerate to move away, which is when it will disengage automatically. Finally, we do also have this rear view mirror, which is an auto dimming rear view mirror, which at night time, if you've ever noticed annoying headlights behind you, this will dim them out so you're not blinded by those. Let's go around and have a look at the front of the vehicle. So here we are back at the front of this Renault Captur S edition. As you can see, we've got these really powerful, really useful LED headlights with the Renault C daytime running lights featured at the front. Really makes driving at night much easier and much less stressful. This car, like all our vehicles, are available online for reservation. Where we are running click and collect or contactless delivery at the moment due to COVID-19 measures. But you'll be, if you call the dealership, you'll be able to get any one of my colleagues or myself in the sales team to answer any of your questions or go through any finer detail. Renault at the moment, with this car in particular, you do have 2 years free servicing included, with a £250 deposit contribution on a PCP finance agreement. So a great time to be looking at a used approved Renault. If you have any questions, as I say, give us a call or click the link below and you can see this exact car on our website with an offer. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Otherwise, I look forward to hearing from you. Many thanks for watching.